Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is indeed my follow-up video or part 2 detailing my experiences at the London Watch Show in 2021. However, because it took me so long to do this follow-up video, I'm going to give you a bit more in terms of what I've been doing in my time away, but also what I plan to do for the channel. Just before we move into part 2 detailing my vlog as to my experiences at the London Watch Show, I do want to do a quick timepiece check, and of course I'm wearing my Rolex Submariner today. Now I'm not going to deny it, there's no reason for me to be wearing this Rolex as I've been working from home all day, apart from the fact that I'm making this video for you today. However, if you watched my last video, you remember that I was trying to get a mystery new watch sized and I hadn't had much success with it so far. Anyway, shortly after this, I did happen to bump into a certain Mr. Paul Thorpe who asked me to do a quick Q&A with him for his channel. This is how it went.
Guys, look who I've bumped into, one of our old friends, Anthony Michaels. He has his own watch YouTube channel. Nip over there and subscribe. We actually haven't seen each other for a while.
Ages. It's been a long time.
This guy is so cool. Honestly, like, I tell you, he's just unbelievable. I love this guy. He was on the Watch Dealer's Apprentice, a little series that we did, I don't know, some time back. Haven't seen him for a while. He's at the London Watch Show. How are you enjoying it, mate?
I know, it's like, it's been a really nice experience. I've met some really inspirational people, seen some lovely watches. I'm on a hunt for the most vintage watch I can find at the moment. I've not seen, I've seen like some really like nice stuff, but I want to see something really vintage and rare. So maybe Paul will give me a few pointers where I can find one.
I do. I know exactly where they are.
Well, I stopped the conversation with Paul just there, and I have to say, Paul really delivered in that. He got me to a boutique where I saw a really nice collection of vintage Rolex watches. Sadly, I didn't take any video of that particular exchange. However, I do have a picture of one of the watches that a person that was in that boutique happened to be wearing.
Glasses are a bit wet because I had to quickly rush out and get some cash to get a discount on something I wish to buy, and I will reveal that later. But back to the show itself and the watches I've seen a really rare Rolex Submariner from 1958. I got a picture of it. The gentleman was kind enough to let me photograph it in his arm. I have seen watches from many other brands. So as you can see, like we've got mainly consisting of Omegas, Breitling, we've got some IWCs, a good kind of set of Tudors, all nice watches of course. And then we're going straight into Rolex Datejust, Hublot, Big Bangs. Oh, they've got some of their new Ultra Perpetuals. I think it's late 2020 or early 2021, which I really like with the new colours. I've not actually seen these in real life, and I really like the light blue, sky blue colour. It's really nice in real life, and the prices don't seem to be too out of line considering they are off the market prices. So really nice stuff. Okay, then we've got Daddy's in the collection. We've got a ton of beautiful Daytonas. They always go down well. We've got one of my favourites at the moment, the Wimbledon Dial Datejust. I'm actually on the waiting list for one of these, but I've not been called, so I'm not too hopeful there. And this is over here. We've got a really blocked. I think we've got we've got the Yachtmaster over there. Two-tone Submariner, beautiful. The Kermit 126610, brilliant. It's so amazing when you see like Rolex is in such plentiful supply here. You never go to an AD and see the prime Rolex sports watches in plentiful supply like this, and the prices are totally reasonable in terms of aftermarket prices. They're not going to be what you get from all prices. We've got some Patek Philippe here. That is fantastic. Nautilus, lovely. Now these are the nicest watches I think I've seen in flesh, if you can call it that, but I mean I just haven't seen many of these in real life, if I'm being honest. So I'm at a boutique that's selling Rolex fascia clocks, and I think I'm going to get myself either a Kermit or a GMT Master 2. So I'm just deciding. What do you think, guys?
Here you go.
But can I just show a picture of that? So here it is now. It looks ridiculous. I think I might have to go for one. I'll see you in a minute, but here's the collection here. Haven't had any luck in trying to get my watch resized. Seems a bit political. And even if I'm sort of saying that, you know, I'm happy to pay for the service, it doesn't seem like there's many that are doing it. So I've been asking them around. Thanks to the fantastic guys at Elite Watches London, I'm now able to reveal to you my latest addition to the collection. But let me introduce you first. So this is Cheyenne, and he was really kind and allowed me to get my watch size so I can show it to you all today. And his uncle is in the background. He's a gentleman who actually did the watch resizing to me. And I have to really thank him. They've been a lifesaver. It's been very difficult to get my watch done. I came to a watch show thinking, okay, maybe I can get my watch resized. It became more difficult than I thought it would be. But these guys have done it, and they have not even asked me for anything. So I really thank you.
No problem. It's a pleasure helping you.
Thank you very much. They've got a new shop in
Hatton Garden.
If you tell me a bit more about your shop, that'd be good.
So we specialise in restoring and servicing watches, from APs, Rolexes, all the way to Cartier, Omegas, all sorts of watches. So and we also have a wide range of dials. We can supply you really anything.
Yeah, and the dial collection they've got dials, they've got bezels, they've got spare links. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
So for your watch servicing, watch repair, if you want to remodel your watch or do anything cool with it, do get in touch with these guys. I'm going to make sure that the details are in the description. And now, here's my new watch reveal. So here it is in the flesh, my Zodiac Super Seawolf Watermelon. It's a beautiful watch, and it has that diver watch practical element where it's got a dive depth of 200 meters or 660 feet. Not only that, the colorway is just amazing in that it pops like not many watches that you see in the fine watch market. And this watch will fit any occasion, but will especially come into its own in the summer, where I feel its colorway will really complement the brighter, lighter tones of the summer season. Behind me, I've got a new background, and this background is representative of one of the reasons why I've been away for so long. In 2021, I moved house, and that has been incredibly stressful. One of the things that perhaps maybe before I did my own YouTube channel and started uploading content I didn't quite appreciate was the fact doing these YouTube videos is really hard work and requires an amazing amount of effort. This means I'm probably going to have to accept that I may not ever be able to upload videos as often as some of the really good YouTubers out there. I just don't have the capacity to do it. However, I don't intend to completely turn my back on YouTube at all. In fact, what I want to do is kind of just do it at my own pace. This could mean, for example, just releasing content once a month or bi-monthly or something like that, but anything just to keep the ball rolling. And hopefully the content I do deliver, even if I don't deliver it as often as some of the others, is still going to be really interesting and good value for you all. I have to say, I really thank you for the support I've had during my absence. Lots of people have been watching my videos, which is brilliant. I hope you guys have been finding them useful. You guys seem to like my video on the Q Watch, but also I'd like to thank you for the new subscribers that I've had in that time, even though I've not been uploading very much. I really appreciate it. One thing I have been doing, however, I have been replying to your comments on my videos, and please do keep them coming, because I really like to see people being engaged with my content and, you know, asking questions, telling me their plans for their watch collecting on the back of watching some of my videos. So please continue to do that, and I will, as often as possible, reply. That's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please head over to Paul's channel to see the rest of my Q&A with him at the London Watch Show last year. I also hope you've noticed a change of scenery and can appreciate my new Rolex GMT Master 2 Batman replica clock. It's one of the best things I purchased at the London Watch Show, and I'm really pleased I got it. That's it from me. I'll see you next time.